Before smartphones, multi-tools, and survival kits, ordinary people carried items that could mean the difference between life and death. These weren't gadgets, they were lifelines. Today, we're rediscovering the wisdom of a world that had to rely on skill, not convenience. This is Deck Effects, and here are 10 forgotten survival tools people once carried every day. 10. Flint and steel. Before matches or lighters, everyone from frontiersmen to soldiers carried a small piece of flint and steel. A single strike could spark a fire for warmth, cooking, or protection. The skill of creating a spark was so essential that many people wore these tools around their necks or stored them in small pouches. In the 18th and 19th centuries, you weren't prepared if you didn't have flint and steel. It was the difference between life and a long, cold night. 9. The pocket knife. The pocket knife was once as common as a wallet. Farmers, sailors, and even schoolboys carried them daily. These knives weren't weapons. They were workhorses used for cutting rope, food, leather, and anything else life threw their way. During the Great Depression, a good folding knife was considered an heirloom. People didn't go anywhere without it. Today, modern multi-tools are its descendants, but the old folding blade remains a symbol of self-reliance. 8. The compass. Before GPS, a simple magnetic compass was a tool of survival. Explorers and travelers relied on it not just for navigation, but for a sense of control in the unknown. Soldiers in both world wars were trained to use one. It wasn't about luxury, it was about not getting lost when being lost could mean death. Even in the age of satellites, a compass never runs out of batteries, and that's something many modern preppers are starting to remember. 7. The handkerchief. It might sound odd today, but this small piece of cloth was one of the most versatile survival tools in history. A handkerchief could be used as a bandage, a sling, a dust mask, or even a water filter in a pinch. Cowboys and coal miners kept them around their necks, ready for anything. It was hygiene, first aid, and practicality all in one, and it's still one of the simplest tools you can carry. 6. The canteen or water flask. Clean water wasn't always easy to find. From Civil War soldiers to early pioneers, carrying your own was essential. Canteens were made of metal, leather, or wood, designed to keep travelers alive through deserts and battlefields. People often tied them to belts or saddles, and losing one could be deadly. Today, reusable water bottles have taken their place, but the principle remains the same. Hydration is survival. If you're enjoying this journey into forgotten survival history, make sure to subscribe to Deck Effects. We post new videos 3 times a week exploring the past's hidden lessons for modern life. Now let's get back to the tools that kept our ancestors alive. 5. The candle lantern. Before electric light, the humble lantern was civilization in miniature. Soldiers, miners, and travelers relied on these small flames to push back the darkness. A single candle could guide the way home or keep wild animals at bay. Some even used them for signaling across distances. Imagine a world where one spark could mean hope, warmth, and safety, all at once. 4. The sewing kit. Known as a housewife kit in military slang, this tiny bundle of needles, thread, and buttons was a survival essential. Soldiers carried them in every major war up through Vietnam. Torn clothing in the wrong conditions could mean exposure, infection, or death. For pioneers, sailors, and explorers, a needle and thread could patch a tent, mend a wound, or repair a life-saving piece of gear. A small kit could mean big resilience. 3. The herbal pouch. Many carried small pouches filled with herbs like mint, sage, or lavender. These weren't for cooking, they repelled insects, masked odors, and even served as primitive medicine. Soldiers in the Civil War kept dried herbs for wounds, and travelers believed they protected against sickness. It's a glimpse into how people used nature's pharmacy long before antibiotics or bug spray existed. 2. The fire piston. Few people today know this ingenious tool even existed. The fire piston, used in Southeast Asia and later adopted by explorers, created fire through sheer compression. When you pushed air quickly inside its chamber, it generated enough heat to ignite tinder. No matches, no sparks, just science and survival. It's a forgotten marvel that shows how creative humans were long before modern technology. 1. The walking stick. It wasn't just for support. In a time before reliable weapons, the walking stick was protection, a tool, and a statement of preparedness. Travelers used it to defend themselves, test river depth, or steady their climb. Some were hollowed out to store maps, coins, or even blades. The walking stick symbolized readiness, a companion through uncertain terrain. People once carried these tools not because they feared collapse, but because they understood that nature, travel, and daily life were unpredictable. They didn't call it prepping, they called it being prepared. This has been Deca Facts. If you enjoyed rediscovering how the past prepared for survival, hit the like button and join us for more forgotten lessons from history every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next countdown.